alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Mashar Islam Moin and today I will be presenting on virtualization and hypervisors. Okay. At first I will talk about what is virtualization. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of a computing resource, such as a server, storage, network, or even an application. It allows multiple operating systems and workloads to run on a single physical machine, sharing its resources efficiently. For example, with VMware, you can run both Windows and Linux operating systems on the same server. It's completely isolated from each other. This makes it possible to use hardware more efficiently and reduce costs. Then I will talk about what is importance of virtualization. Virtualization plays a huge role in modern IT infrastructure for several reasons. First, it maximizes hardware utilization, meaning fewer physical servers are needed. It also reduces cost by lowering energy consumption and maintenance. Another key benefit is scalability and flexibility. You can easily deploy new environments or move workloads between servers. Finally, virtualization simplifies disaster recovery because virtual machines can be backed up and restored much more easily than physical servers. My next slide is about types of virtualization. There are several types of virtualization used in today's IT environments. Let's go through them one by one. At first, I will talk about server virtualization. This divides a single physical server into multiple virtual servers, each with its own operating system. For example, VMware allows multiple virtual machines to run on one physical host. The next is network virtualization. This combines or separates network resources for better performance and flexibility. A good example is virtual LANs or software-defined networking to manage multiple networks on the same physical hardware. Then storage virtualization. This pools multiple storage devices into a single virtual storage resource. For instance, the storage area network to combine several hard drives for better performance and redundancy. Then, desktop virtualization. This allows users to access their desktops remotely from any device. For an example, using virtual desktop infrastructure like Citrix or VMware Horizon to access a Windows desktop from any device. Then, application virtualization. This runs applications to isolated environments so they don't need to be installed directly on the user's device. For an example, include Microsoft FB or VMware ThiNAP to stream applications to users on demand. And finally, data virtualization. This integrates data from multiple sources into a single unified view without actually moving the data. Platforms like Denodo or IBM Cloud for data make this possible. Okay, then I will talk about what is hypervisor. Mm, Hypervisor is the heart of virtualization. A hypervisor is a software layer that creates and manages virtual machines. It controls how physical resources like CPU, memory, and storage are allocated to each virtual machine. In short, the hypervisor is what allows multiple virtual environments to run on a single physical system efficiently and securely. Okay, then I will talk the types of hypervisor. There are two main types of hypervisors, type 1 and type 2. Type 1, also known as bare metal hypervisors. run directly on physical hardware. There's no host operating system. They offer high performance and are widely used in enterprise environment. For an example, is including VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, KVM, and Citrix, etc. Then Type 2 or hosted hypervisors run on top of an existing operating system. They are great for personal use, testing, or development purposes. The examples is including Oracle VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, and Parallels Desktop for Mac OS. In the conclusion, to wrap up, Virtual has transformed modern IT by improving efficiency, flexibility, and scalability. Hypervisors make this possible by managing multiple virtual machines on a single piece of hardware. As organizations continue adopting cloud and hybrid infrastructures, virtualizations remains a key foundation for innovation and digital transformation. Thank you, everyone. This is my presentation for today.